In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product page template in Shopify. Whether you're looking to streamline your online store or personalize the shopping experience, understanding how to effectively manage product page templates can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Shopify site editor. If you're already familiar with this part of Shopify, you'll know it's where the magic happens when it comes to customizing the look and feel of your store. At the top of the site editor, you'll see the page title. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu offering various options related to your current page's settings and navigation. Once you've clicked on the page title, the next step is to select Products. By doing this, you're telling Shopify that you want to work specifically on the product pages. This section is essentially the heart of any e-commerce store, because it's where your potential customers get all the information they need about your products. Now, here's where we start crafting something unique. You'll see an option that says, Create Template. Clicking on this is your pathway to customization. It's a powerful feature that allows you to tailor the look and feel of your product pages. After selecting Create Template, you'll be prompted to name your new product page template. This name should be something clear and indicative of its purpose, especially if you plan to create multiple templates in the future. Also, at this stage, you'll need to choose an existing product page template to use as a base. This base template will serve as the foundation upon which you'll build your customized page. Think of it like choosing the right canvas before painting. It's important to have a solid starting point. Once you've successfully created your new template, Shopify will guide you to the page where customization happens. Here, you can start making changes, whether it's altering the layout, adjusting the colors, or even adding new elements. This is your chance to infuse the template with your brand's unique style. After you've put the finishing touches on your template, it's time to apply it. Head over to your product list. You'll see all the products you have on offer. Choose the ones you'd like this new template to apply to. This is a great way to ensure consistency across your store or highlight specific products with a distinctive presentation. And that, in a nutshell, is how you create a product page template in Shopify. Remember, having customized product pages can not only enhance the user experience, but also potentially boost sales by displaying your products in a way that stands out. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!